Welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we'll show you how to allow clipboard access for a specific site in Chrome on your PC. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Open Chrome. Step 2. Look for the 3 vertical dots located at the top right corner of the Chrome window. Click on it to open the menu. Step 3. From the menu, locate and click on the Settings option. This will take you to the Chrome Settings page. Step 4. On the Settings page, find the Privacy and Security section. Click on it to access the privacy and security settings. Step 5. Within the privacy and security settings, locate the Site Settings option. Click on it to open the Site Settings menu. Step 6. In the Site Settings menu, look for the Additional Permissions section. Click on it to expand the additional permissions options. Step 7. Among the additional permissions options, you'll find Clipboard. Click on it to access the Clipboard settings. Step 8. Within the Clipboard settings, find the Allowed to See Your Clipboard option. Next to it, click on the Add button. Step 9. A dialog box will appear where you can add the specific site you want to allow Clipboard access for. Enter the site URL and click on Add. By following these simple steps, you can easily allow Clipboard access for a specific site in Chrome on your PC. This can be useful for certain websites that require Clipboard functionality. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.